busy to clean the room and Zara's doing, look at. Because he saw his dad that he had a lot of tattoo in his body. And now he wanted to. Oh. Instead, I gave the notebook and the ball pen so that he can write. But no, he's not. He can draw his legs right here. Oh, sus! Who's right this, Zara? Huh? It's you? Oh. It's really nice, huh? Why you do this? Why you write your legs? Huh? Oh, what did you do?